Today, I want to talk to you about choosing the perfect color for your space. This is a really important tool of the trade. Go to your paint store and get paint chips. When you're picking colors, that you also do a tone lighter and even a tone darker. Now you're back at your home and you've got your paint chips. You're gonna bring those paint chips and you're gonna take them and you're not gonna hold them like this on a table, okay? You're not gonna hold them horizontally. You're gonna put them vertically because that's the way they're gonna be painted on the wall. And you're going to see how they look in different lights because perhaps here looks like a beautiful mauve, but maybe here it doesn't quite look the same. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you're gonna see that color in different spaces. You can use this to paint your sample, and once you're done, check this out. What you're gonna wanna do with these guys is you're really gonna wanna move them around. So here I get to see how this color looks next to this wood. I kinda like it. So now you guys have a few tricks and tools of the trade that you'll be able to take with you when you're picking out the perfect color for your space.